You guys are ready for another very, very fun week. We have a lot of very fun setups coming in here. Guys, it's another big earnings week. We don't have Powell, so the premiums are going to be a little bit better. Let's see what we get, everybody. It is going to be a fun time. We got the SPY up about 0.25% over here, about $1 in the pre-market. We have NVIDIA trying to march up. We have AMD up a little bit here. I believe they have earnings tomorrow or Wednesday, one of those days here. So AMD is going to be having earnings. Be careful with this. The premiums are going to be stepping up on those stocks that do have earnings. So just be careful of those. Tessie kind of chopping around. Palantir, absolute monster in the pre-market here, up 6.34%. If you guys were following me on Twitter, you guys saw that on Friday I started hunting this thing. So again, pay attention or pay a premium. I mean, I can't just like come over here and just be like, hey, look at this. You guys got to pay attention to when I'm saying these things to you guys. The swing list is looking pretty good this morning again. And then I'm also taking a look at Mara again. Mara up about 1.8% in the pre-market here, looking pretty decent. So let's see if we can have another really, really solid week, team. Again, make sure that you guys are slapping that like button when you guys are filtered in here. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Japan news thoughts. What are they buying bonds? I mean, they're going to, that's a bit interesting. I don't, or are they buying or selling bonds? They're buying bonds, right? It was purchases, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Honestly, they're insane. They love to just keep rates at like 0. And like just like unlimited. They just love their unlimited QE, bro. It's very, very strange. Neo's still looking sweet. Let me actually take a look here. I haven't looked at Neo this morning. I mean, it's up. It was up 11% Friday, up 4% in the pre-market here. Hit a high of 1580. That's pretty insane. I mean, it is selling off. A lot of the movement on Neo has been based off of XPeng. Whoa. What happened to this beast? What happened to XPeng? Hold on, that's interesting. Your Palantir up 56%. August 11 contracts. Can't wait to see what they are at open. Makes you think if it could break the last high, she could go more. Yeah, I mean, this thing's an interesting one. We've been talking about this one. You guys have seen all the Palantir videos. Looks good. I mean, I entered back in on Friday, like last Friday. Those contracts are up decent once it broke. So I was looking at those. We'll see what we get here. It's up nicely, man. I mean, if we can cruise to 20, we do have earnings coming up, which is I'd rather this thing not be like way elevated going into earnings because they'd have to release some wild fucking crazy earnings in order for that thing to keep going. So I don't know. That's an interesting one. But what's going on with XPeng, dude? That's interesting. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. You guys are crushing it. What is going on with this? I don't see anything. They got a downgrade. Yeah, but a downgrade's not going to knock it 7%, bro. Where are the other China stocks? Baba. Fine. JD. JD looks good. Baidu. Oops. Baidu's up. Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo is pretty flat. That's interesting. Neo, I mean, looking interesting here. Maybe it was just directed Neo news. Let me look. I don't see any news on it. That's interesting. Morning, my market maker thieves. What up, Keith? How you doing, buddy? Hi, Vix. Will the market go up or down? Yes. Okay, cool. Come on, bro. Let's see what it wants to do today. I mean, we'll see. Nancy looking interesting this morning. We got Tessie losing it a little. SPY losing it a little. SPY does have a little bit of room up to these levels here, 458.60, and then up into here, these pre-market levels, almost 460. So if this thing really wants to get going, it can. We'll see, though. Let's see. Let's see. It's going to the right. Tor, you are correct there, buddy. It is going to the right. Yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens with SPY at open here. I've got this on the 3-minute. Those of you guys that were in masterclass with us this weekend, try out, go and back test what I was telling you guys about with thigh gap. We'll see. Let's see. Yeah, that I mean, it's nasty. The stuff that I was talking to you guys about with thigh gap, if you guys treat it that way, you're gonna take high quality setups the entire time. Like it's never gonna be a setup that's not a high quality setup with good risk to reward, unless it like really moves quick into a thigh gap move. Those of you would avoid anyway though because the risk would be too high. Penalty earnings on the 7th. Yeah, I believe it is. It's next week. So we'll see what happens with it. It looks good. It's up a lot more in the pre-market here. I think I was basically entering around like 1733. I think that's right around where it was. We're sitting at almost 19. We had a high of 1912 in the pre-market. We're at 1897. This thing is a unit. And then we'll see what Mara and all the Bitcoin stocks want to do because they look interesting on the longer time frames too. We also have AI that I'm watching for. I've been hunting this thing for a while. Need a little bit of money on it. Got stopped out on one. Nothing too crazy on this thing, though. It's had a lot of potential. This thing's got a lot of potential. Now, it could, yeah, this thing's getting tight. All right, we'll see what this thing wants to do. AI's one. And then the other one, I mean, I'm not going to go over all the swing lists with you guys. Thigh gap video is still private for master. Yeah. Yeah. We can make another one, though. Or we could release the thigh gap one. For you guys. It'd be interesting to see Nancy come above 470 this morning. That would get pretty spicy, I think. Going into AMD's earnings, you could see a little. Imagine if AMD pulls an NVIDIA and just whee, goes nuts. That'd be nice. I'd love that. Oh, it's on Tesla. We'll see. It's at 267. I mean, I was heavily debating. I like really where I want Tesla's down here for leaps. I want it down in here. I don't know if I'm gonna get it though. So it's like it's like just under 250, and then like this level down in here, this 240. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. You need something crazy to happen in the market. Pretty nice solid sell-off in order for this thing to come down. Even the giant sell-off last week didn't take the SPY sub 450. So I don't know what it's going to be. Japan was freaking out some stuff. Then they just started bond buying. Like they're doing some wild shit over there. I'd have to take a little bit of a deeper look into that. But that's how I'm looking at Tesla. Just, I mean, we can day trade the shit out of it. But like the thing is that, okay, well, you're going to see the opportunity as it presents itself. You'll have the levels out. They're always there. You take them from the daily 4-hour and the 5-minute, and then you operate in between them. Christopher, reach out to Hot Potato for that one. You're gonna have to like disconnect, reconnect, I believe. So, but yeah, just reach out to Hot Potato. Ooh, we are 1 like away from 50 already. Thank you, team. Now, guys, remember, all of you guys still sitting on the outside. Make sure that you guys hop in to trade1348.com for your first month free. Free for a month. Make sure you guys are hopping in there. The deal of a fucking lifetime. And for those of you guys that still need to hop into masterclass with us to get the swing list, the live streams with Gabe, the midweek masterclass, the live interactive learning curriculum, the Sunday masterclasses, make sure that you guys are hopping in there, man. I mean, the amount of value that you guys are getting in there is insane for what it's priced at. So, and all you masters that are in here right now, you can let the people know what your experience has been like with Master. It's been overwhelmingly positive from everything that I've seen. We have Josue coming in here making, at this point, I wouldn't be surprised if he's made $500,000 in like the last month. 19-year-old kid absolutely crushing it with us. So again, the results are there. If you guys want to take your trading to the next level, you got to make that decision. Just finished up the master stream. Send out mobile alerts. Thanks for dropping gold. No problem. No problem. Yeah, I have a bunch of alerts set up for today. I just want to see if some of them hit. Mondays are usually interesting. I want to see how the first daily candle of the week usually sets up, see what these things really want to do. If they want to rip, they can go. But again, I mean, this was another one from the list. Rip tank. I mean, this was an interesting one. This actually, I mean, I could still maybe get an entry on this thing. So I don't know. I don't know. That's a bit fucked up. Yeah, I think I'm late on this. Dude, it was so close, man. I'd have to buy these candles, which I could have. This one actually would have been decent with this. It's fucking a perfect. All they had to do was give me a day. I just saw this yesterday and I was like, oh, great. But like, you got the light down, light up, down volume, consolidation. Like, this is just perfect. Breaking these ranges. Perfect setup. I just didn't see it until Sunday. So let's see what we get today. We got about 20 minutes until the ding ding. Then we'll go from there. We will go from there. TLT sniffed 100. Did it? Oh, TLT. I mean, for a second and then got killed. It did for a second. Gotta take a cold shower before heading to the sniper station. Yeah, see, you cold shower people, I'll never understand. If you want to like wake yourself up in the morning, like that's cool and all. I just don't get it. I always feel sick after I do them. I'm like, I actually feel ill. And I'm like, well, this is not gonna fly. All right. Let's see what we got today, man. Well, any other tickers you guys are looking at? Let me know. As long as it's not some like crazy nonsense. God. Oh no. Oh no. Adam Aaron's tweeting. He's just pandering again. Oh no. SoFi just reported earnings. Are they moving? I think they beat, but I don't know. Yeah, it's up 13%. That's probably not for me. Yeah, that's a big gap, bro. That's a big ass. That's a big move. You closed here, you're up in here in the pre-market. That's a bit much for me. Like if it did this, hold on. Where is Sophie? Like if it did this, why did I just type SoFi in? If it did like this and bounced like to right up here, like 1022, and then like chopped around and then started to move, like yeah, maybe, but this thing's up 12%. That's a bit much for me to want to play around. You think the 2-letter ticker from the swing list is interesting for an entry? I would give the 4 hour 13 5 minute drive, then go up and down again. Well, that one I went over here. I need it to break levels, Daniel. That's what I'll say about that one. I need it to break levels because it keeps going up to these fucking levels and then getting killed. So I need it to break levels. Oh, and then there are a couple other things that I am interested in as well. Oh, here we go. This one might need some more time, and I think it does, which is fine. I mean, this could, if this consolidates into the end of the week, I would really enjoy that. You're watching Roku for puts. Yeah, they gapped up pretty good on earnings, ripped up again. Yeah, the only problem with that is the IV is going to be so hot. So, like the puts, yeah, you could ride it back down if it's a giant move, but you need a big ass move in that in that stock in order for this thing to go. Palantir selling a little here. That one level runs to is a $2 move. If you want to day trade it, that's fine. It moves a lot intraday. But here's the other thing, Daniel. When we're swinging, we're looking for the larger move. Where's the swing list and master? It's in Gabe's laboratory. Make sure you have notifications turned on for that channel in the Discord. Because that's where they all go every week. Last week, I think we were like 7 for 7. I'm upset about this one. Like Wayfair is the one that I'm pissed about. You didn't know you were hunting Carvana? Yeah, I am. I don't like to, and it actually makes me not sick, but like I don't want, like I hate this stock. But if the setup's there, the setup's there. Like no emotions. Like the chart is going to rule everything else, and that's what you guys need to realize too. Like do not let yourself get emotional. You see all those people still over there chasing around AMC. They're just emotionally attached to it, and they're fucked. They're completely fucked. They cannot think for themselves. They can't. They're just group thinked in there emotionally. You can't let your emotions dictate what you're going to do in the stock market because that's how you lose every single cent that you will ever put in. You can get mad at me all you want, but that's the truth. And it's going to happen if people keep operating in the market like that. Emotional trading is never, ever, ever the way to go. Ever. Follow your system, follow your rules, and do not break them. That is the key part. You can follow it on the entry all you want, but are you going to follow it on the exit? Are you going to follow it if you get stopped out? That's what you guys need to be doing. There, nice little move there. Palantir was a Yahoo Finance pick over the weekend, so it might be an interesting intraday short. Maybe. I mean, What do you call it? They have earnings coming up. Oil futures extended gains. You have crude by U.S. crude up by $1 a barrel. Let's see. Those swings are calls. Well, they could be. You have to wait for the entries. I'm just pointing you guys in the right direction. I'm not going to tell you what to do. That's crazy and illegal. But yeah, Daniel Palantir looks interesting. Aries a shitload. A shitload. And then Gabe and I called it dead, and it's still dead. And all these other morons out there are still trying to like say it's okay. It's not okay. It's not. Nothing okay is about it. Nothing about it is okay, man. Let's see here. Whoa. Let's see. Targeting Disney are the tickers you don't trade anymore. You have a bias about them, no emotions. Yeah. I mean, I'm interested in them. I just don't know about leaves right now. I need a sell off to look for leaves. That's when I'll do it. Like the next correction that we have, I'll go for some leaves, depending on what the reason is for the correction. Where's Nancy? Chopping around. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh, wow. You guys are cranking it this morning. Guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Oh, man. Oh, but you got a little slacking going on here. There's a little bit of slacking. Okay, I see how it is. I see how it is. You people. Chicago Business Barometer at 9:45, but other than that, we really don't have anything today. Tomorrow's going to get interesting at 10. Job openings, ADP employment report Wednesday at 8:15. Jobs report, ISM services. Oh fuck, Friday non-farm hourly wages, year over year. Yeah, that's interesting. Friday, very very big day here for the market. Sorry, there's a like. Yeah, guys, come on. I mean, I know there's a lot of you guys sitting in here right now. They're like, oh, I'm not going to hit it. Just hit it, man. I mean, it costs you nothing to do. It helps me out a whole lot. What's up, Nature's Barista? A silent day? Why a silent day? ADP report moves the market every time. Yeah, so does non-farm. Non-farm is going to be nuts. Non-farm's always nuts, though. All right, man. Let's see. We got 12 minutes until the ding ding. Yeah, I should be able to get some. The fuck just happened? The fuck just happened? You guys see that? Are we still good? Are we like chilling over here? What happened? My light just went out. Huh. That's strange. Well, that's... No, I still got Wi-Fi. That's weird. Hold on. What is happening here, man? My light just went out. Hold on. I mean, we'll do that for now, but like, what the hell was that? Huh. Well, we're gonna have to figure that out later. I don't know what happened there. Interesting. Spy slipping a little here. Ghosts. It's the AMC bag holders looking for a light at the end of the tunnel. Hey, I forgot to pay the light bill. No, that's not how that works. Let's see. The lights in my bathroom are still on. I don't know what happened here. I think it's this outlet. I don't know though. That's weird. But that also doesn't make sense because that's on. This screen's on. And this is plugged into the same fucking thing. Bulbs do burst. Yeah, that might be it. That I think is, yeah, I think that's it. So it might just be that. That makes more sense. Okay. So maybe I need another one of these ring lights. Cool. Gonna have to order one of those. That's okay. All right, man. 10 minutes to go. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Yeah, make sure you guys are hopping in for your free month. There you go. The link is at the top of the live chat, but I will throw it in the live chat for you guys too. It's also the QR code on the screen. So again, if you guys want the best trading education that exists, if you are looking to come and learn how to make money in the market, I mean, this is the place for you, man. I mean, you guys have seen all the success that thousands upon thousands of these members have been having. Make sure you guys are hopping in, man. Let's see. AMC is of a percent in a pre-market. Moas! Ah! All right. Let's see here. All right, cool. Dutch ass, go watch the swing trading video. It's in all of them. It depends. It depends on what you're doing. It depends. So yeah, go watch all the swing trading videos. There's some in the curriculum. There's some out there on my channel. Make sure you guys go watch those. Ooh, 5 likes away from 100 now. Holy shit. Thank you, team. I appreciate you. Yeah, it's kind of annoying that ring light's out now. It's kind of annoying, you know? We'll deal with it. I thought something was like actually wrong. All the other lights are still on in here, so. All right, 8 minutes. I don't see anything really useful on Twitter. I just see like funny stuff. People saying funny things. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. No more Twitter. No more Twitter. No. Oh Jesus. You're drawing your trade designs for some of these swings. Risk rewards are like 8 to 10x. Is that right? Yeah. That's yeah. They're nasty. But again, like I'm usually depending on the expiration, guys. It depends. Like it depends on what your expiration date you're going for is. It depends how much meat on the bone. Where I'm scaling out. Like if I'm going with Leafs, I'm scaling out 20 to 30%. If it's really short time to expiration, I'll let it run. Position sizing, the sliding scale of risk. And again, it's like if you have to ask the question, you probably know the answer. It's kind of like that. It's like, well, what should I do here? It's like, well, if you're going to take on it, like if you're looking for like weeklies, you're not going to like put 10% of your account in. That doesn't make any sense. You can size it for 0, and that's probably what a lot of you guys should be doing, sizing it for 0 on the first that you take. Use the tough strategy. That'll help you guys a whole lot to get your feet wet. But then that doesn't mean to then go in like big size like you would on a day trade. Like you still size it down on the swings. Unless they have a shitload of time. It's not called Twitter anymore. Yeah, but that's kind of like Facebook. Like Facebook's not called Facebook anymore. It's years later. I still call it Facebook. Same deal. All right, man. We got 6 minutes here. I'm interested in Nancy today. Let's see what wants to do. AMD slipping a little, which it would kind of suck if AMD just knifed into their earnings. I don't know why they would though. They easily could though. Who knows? With Neo, when is Theta going to really kick in for calls that expire November 17th? Within 30 days. Theta starts ramping up the most within 30 days to expiration. You have 1850 calls for Palantir that expire on the 11th. Yeah, you guys are gonna kill it today. At open, depending on what happens, the only like at open you could get a wild knife, which would be annoying, but you never know. Where's Mara? Whoa, Mara! See if that holds. See if that holds. That'd be fun. All right, cool. Oh, this could get spicy here. Let's see what happens with Mara. That would be a good one. It just kind of chopped its way up last week. It had like one really solid day. That's it. And then got sold right into. I think it was the day that the market killed itself. Look, God, fuck. Sorry, YouTube. AMD strangle for earnings? Probably not. Probably not. I mean, with my really big share position, the only thing I might do in the options account is just like grab a couple puts just in case. But probably not. I probably won't do anything with it. Why play earnings? Like, serious. Like, why? Oh, no. That's not. No. That's impossible. Hold on. No way. Okay, cool. Am I looking at charge point? No. Goolsby have not seen tighter credit conditions than expected. Have to play by ear on restrictiveness of policy rate. Monthly inflation readings coming in quite good. I mean, that's decent. That's decent there. Okay. Yeah, Mara's flying around like Mara does, so we'll see. SPY is slipping into market open though. Let's see. Are the chips holding? AMD got a little bounce, Nvidia a little bit too. What's up, you people? What up, Rands? How you doing, buddy? All right, let's see what we got. 2 minutes. Cool. Trading View Netty. You gotta look at the video that Gabe posted, guys. All the information is out there. If you have any other questions, reach out to Hot Potato. He will help you. But yeah, there's a video out there on how to set it up. It's in the announcement section. So guys, you got to make sure you have your notifications turned on for the Discord so you don't miss this stuff. That was a weird sequence of candles there. Goolsby Phillips curve is broken. That's interesting. That's interesting. I mean, he's right. It's like the relationship between like inflation and unemployment. Like he is correct. All right. So we sold off about almost, I mean, not almost $1, but yeah, we sold off a decent amount on this little pump in the pre-market here. Let's see what it wants to do. Going into market open in a minute. Here we go. Here we go. We got 40 seconds. Goolsby, I'm open to reading data. Haven't decided on September move. Yeah, but like hit. Yeah, there's the shark. Goolsby saying shit. Yeah, there's the Nancy shark. Yeah, everything's starting to slip here off Goolsby. Let's see what this Tessie's holding though. Don't know if we should skip September meeting. Goolsby, why are you spamming right now? You're just spamming. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Hold on. Mara, Shark. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Nancy flying around. Let's see what we got. Someone dying Goolsby out. Damn. He's just going to keep saying shit. Mara bouncing off that 3-minute 200 currently. Palantir got the Shark. That we were talking about, the market open Shark. So lost most of those gains. Spy slipping. Let's see here. There's always a master live stream, guys. You just got to wait for the link. Tessie coming up. AMD slipping. Nancy slipping. Yeah, Palantir got hit hard there. Throw that on the 5-minute. See where this thing wants to go. It's still up 3.5%. Let's see. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Yeah, what does Spy want to do? Let's all right. Let's see if Mara can get above 17. Palantir pulling up a little. Can we call him Foolsby? No. We cannot call him Foolsby. Here comes Nancy. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Oh, epic. All right, let's see what we get here. Up about 80% on my Palantirs. 85. That's good. Let's see. So where's Spy going here? Okay, watch. Yeah, that got eaten up quick. Watch for a potential retest of this 48 and then a potential reach to this 458.10. Tessie going. Nvidia. Oh shit. There it goes. Mara above 17. SoFi's going crazy. Yeah, wow, bro. Yeah, SoFi's really ripping. I don't know if I'd touch that, though. That's insane. It's up 18%, 19%. That's just really not for me there. Palantir up, Shark. Nancy trying to hunt for that 270. Spy. Yeah, you didn't quite get that retest there. Neo calls are up 180% with months left. There you go. Fuck yeah, guys. Palantir trying to get back above 19. There she goes. Where's Mara? Mara was above 17 for a second. Yeah, didn't like it. Nancy sharked. Spy sharking. Palantir. Let's see if it... There it goes. Let's see here. Hold on. All right. Boom. All right, let's see. Maris trying to get back to that 17 again here. Where's Spy pulling up a little? Nancy making an attempt. If Nancy can break here, these are some of the levels that I have. 470.29. That's an interesting level for NVIDIA. Netflix is on a mission. Dude, I don't like that it's so dark in here this morning. I hate that my light just broke. Wow, Netflix. Holy shit. How's this look on the longer time frames? Eh. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Netflix. Holy shit. Yeah, that looks interesting. That's an interesting one. Palantir 1905. 1912 is going to be that key level. You break there, spaghetti-o. In a good way. Nancy's flying around. Fidelity's giving you serious anxiety. Why? Why is that? Okay. All right, I posted the Palantir gains on Twitter. There you guys go. Oh, it's not showing the current price on your contract. That is annoying. Mara Shark. Nancy's trying, but this is just the morning volatility with NVIDIA. You got to see if AMD is going to help it out. Let's see. You're about to market order? Why are you using Fidelity to trade options, dude? That's an interesting thing. Why have you done that? That's strange. Let's see. Palantir teeter in 19. Mara's not looking great. Yeah, you got about a minute and a half left on these 3-minute candles. The Roku earnings pump was impressive. It was. It was very impressive. I didn't catch any of it, but I know a lot. I know some people did. It was pretty dirty. Yeah, I don't see much going on here. Here comes Nancy a little. It really just needs to break up here. 270 or sorry, 470.26. That's the big level on that one. All right, let's see. Tune? Interesting. What's that? What's Tune? Cartoon Studios. Penny stock, not really for me. Yeah, I don't like that. Where's TLT? 972. Okay. Here comes Palantir. There she goes. It broke. You got to see if it's going to carry up. Like you said a long time ago, find a platform that works for you. It's not user friendly, but I've gotten accustomed to it. Oh, that's fair. That's fair. Headed to Master. There you go, John Cashola. Yeah, make sure that you guys are all hopping into Master when you guys get a chance. 1920. I mean, this is just making 52-week highs here. It's just spike, spike, spike. I want to see if it wants to get one more push up. Nancy, rip. Yeah, you broke the level. So one of my alerts just triggered on that. You broke the level. It's got to hold, though. Got to hold over there. Whoa, Palantir. Holy shit. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see if Nancy wants to do something spicy over 470. AMD didn't really get a pop there. Nancy's kind of leading the way. A lot of technical bears see a crash soon. Any thoughts on that? There's not going to be a technical crash. It would be fundamental or macro, which I don't know. I mean, you could see a sell-off. I wouldn't be looking on Twitter for what these morons want to say, because literally in every single market environment, there's going to be people screaming for a crash. So I would just be careful with that. Palantir is just a monster. 15% on the port and done. Nice. Yeah, I'm up 5.5, 5.25. It's just flickering around. Nancy didn't like it up there. AMD selling off, not helping it. Whoa, Tesla pop, lock, and drop there, huh? Yeah, Palantir might have the juice today. We'll see. 1950 next level on that thing. Here comes SPY. Wow, dude, Nancy is so volatile. Look at this thing. Mara moving a little. Palantir going. Let's see how far it wants to go. All right, we're going to do that. Yeah, I'm up 112% on the Palantirs. I'm starting to scale. $114% on Palantir. Thank you. If it goes up a little bit more, it will then become free. I'm up 7% on the day here. 57.89% on the day with Palantir. There you fucking go, team. Yeah, I'm a penny away from making this free on a limit order. It literally needs to tick to like 1945, and I probably got it. Yeah, got it. Palantir contracts are now free. Fuck yeah. There we go. Easy money. Thank you, guys. The Swing King strikes again. Yeah, that's free now. Let me grab my coffee real quick, guys. And again, make sure that you guys are hitting that like button on the way in, hopping into Master, or getting your first month free to the platform, man. I mean, again, this is just, it's Print City, dude. I don't know, man. It's insane. There you guys go. Give me 2 seconds. I just got to run and grab the coffee. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Mara back above 17. Nancy. Okay. where's AI? AI running. So that's an interesting one. Was that one of them? I think it was. So this is another one. You're welcome. What else are we looking at? Where's Carvana? Yeah, just keep doing this. Just keep doing that. Palantir is a unit, bro. Whoa. Crowd's up. Crowd crowd looks interesting. Where's this? Let's see. Where's Mara? Oh, there we go. That's a candle. That's a candle right there. 125% on Palantir. Nice. Those are free though. So those I've made free. Oh, now I'm up 9% on the day. Woohoo! Got 75% for the 11th and 69% for the 4th on Palantir. Nice, guys. There we go. Yeah, little shark there. That's fine. I've made it free. I can do whatever I want now. I can do whatever I like. Nobody can stop me. All right. I would like to see Nancy have like a nice like 1-2% day up here run, but who knows? When's AMD's earnings? Is it tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow after hours. Okay. I'd love to see this thing get another fuck you candle like this, but you can't. The problem with Mara is that it likes to do this and then give it all back. Unless it's one of those days where it really wants to go and then it just rips. Nancy slipped a little there, down below 470. TLT's pushing 100? Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. I don't hate that. So boring waiting for your setup. Good. Be comfortable being bored. If you're not comfortable being bored in the stock market, you're going to fail. You have to be able to have that patience to wait for your setup. Where's crowd? I'm like kind of interested. When's earnings though? Because I drilled this thing a while. Oh, it's got time. Where are these levels at though? Okay. 57.66. Let's see. Yeah, TLT pushing up. We have SPY Little Shark there. Wait. That was close. Mara looks all right. Let's see. Congrats, AMC bag holders. You squeeze now. Play the charts, not the moon. They're not going to do that. I can tell you right now, they're not going to do that. Connection lost, motherfucker. Struggling today. Tesla's coming down. Yeah, Mara's screwing around here, just moving all over the place. Yeah, all this stuff is free now, basically. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. We're going to have some interesting videos out for you guys later today, too. Palantir up 8.3% on the day. Fuck yeah. All right. Let's see what we're getting here. Let me throw the SPY up quick. So we can just kind of watch the SPY over here for a bit. That's a nice rim trade there, though, on the SPY. There you go. That is a nice rim. Let's see. I think TLT just cracked 100. Hold on. Did it? Did it touch? 99.90. It hit 100.01. Took 20% gain on the Palantir. You're not even bothered to left some money on the table in order to grab the profit. At a boy, Keith. Yeah, you guys slaughtered that one. Good for, yeah, anybody that hit the Palantir. Okay, who in here nailed Palantir? Remember, don't eat raw chicken. Exactly. Do not eat raw chicken. That is exactly what we were talking about in masterclass yesterday. Do not eat raw chicken. Keith, infamous. There you guys go. Mara lost 17. Nancy slipped hard. Holy shit. Armando hit it. There you go. SPY losing it here. I don't know what's going on, but this is getting a little spicy. Let's see. All right. SPY looking for confluence in a 3-minute traffic light down. Missed it. Missed it. Damn. Couldn't get a fill on that SPX trade. That's okay. I was a little too picky with that one. Palantir again. Let's go. 7.94% on the port. There you guys go, man. I mean, you guys slaughtered it. Absolutely killed it, dude. Let's see what we got here. Do that. All right. Yeah, Nancy slipping. I wanted that. Fuck me. Come on. Really? Really? Fuck. We wanted this one right here. Looking for Confluence. Stop above the 13. Fuck. Yeah, I missed that one. Shit. I can't hit them all. You guys are distracting me. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that was a great one there. Yeah, I mean, you guys heard me. It started to lose it a little, and I was like, I missed it. I'm not going to chase it down, and then whack. Throw this on the 5 minute. Where's the 5 minute 200? Probably right fucking there. Yep. Yep. Here comes the selling. That's big, dude. Missed the entry too. Move very quick. Yeah. Ooh, it lost it. Ooh, it lost it. That's a giant candle, bro. All right, let's see. Oh, cool. All right, hold on. Yeah, this thing's getting killed here. And then Palantir didn't really die there. All right, cool. Bias to puts after that candle. No, that's a stay the fuck away from the market candle. That's what that is. You're not chasing that down. That's crazy. That Palantir's still holding up there. That's pretty nuts. And Nancy got killed. AMD got killed. Let's see if this thing can capture this, recapture this 5 minute 200 here at 456.87. Here it goes. Yeah, a little bait and switch there. Let's see. Mara Shark coming back up. Palantir still holding. Nancy bounced a little. Tessie trying to move back up. Whoa. 457. That's interesting. Tesla double tapped its low. Yeah, here's another retest of the 200. What was the news on that, Ralph? Did you see anything? Or they just came in and just whacked it? That's what it looks like happened. I didn't see any news come through the feed. Let me look. U.S. crude oil production fell 15,000 BPD in May. That's all I got here. That's all I got on it. Yeah, Tessie's thigh gap, and that's interesting. We'll see. This is losing it again. Palantir's making new highs. This thing's an animal, bro. Or it's trying to make new highs. Nancy getting killed. Yeah, back up a little there. Let's see. 457. You get a candle close above there. Let's see what happens with this. Off the Monday conference call, ready to join Prince City. Let's rip. Jack said, let's do it, buddy. You're coming in at a good time. We can see some fun here. Nah, this thing is getting fucked around with. Dude, Nancy was way up there and then bloop, dead. Beyond's moving nicely, is it? I haven't taken a look at that one today. Ah, yeah. Fuck, dude. I didn't catch this one either. Where is this? Daily. Yeah, you broke it. What's the low? Okay. Yeah, Beyond's an interesting one. Okay. $46% on a Bank of America call. That's interesting. Yeah, SPY not looking great here. Palantir broke highs. That's insane. Does not give a shit. All right, let's see. Bank of America, definitely not big money, but the percentage gain was nice. Yeah, well, if it moves outside of like what it's normally used to, then yeah, you can catch those big gainers on it. All right, it's moving up a little here. Let's see if it can get back above 457. I don't know. We'll see. There's 457 there. Couldn't get through. A 1. There it is. All right, let's see what this wants to do. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, let's see. Mara trying to get back above 17. Okay. Palantir just a unit, dude. Where's Tessie? Okay. Let's see if it can hold 457 here. That'll be key. Like if it can hold this 200 and 457, that's going to be interesting for a potential move back up to that 13 here. But you need the buyers to step up pretty big, which you're not seeing currently. Nancy got back above its 5-minute 200. That's interesting. We got Tessie. Nope, did not want it. Palantir trade alone put your port up 10.22% on the day. That's masterclass for you, team. Make sure that you guys are hopping in there, you fucking animals. Good shit. Let's go, dude. I mean, yeah, my Palantirs are up 100 to 130% right now, and they're free. Sold it for 147%. Marky Mark, good work, buddy. Good work. Fuck yeah, guys. Yeah, here comes the SPY moving a little. What'd you have? What contracts did you have? Tell them to bring out the printers. Yeah, dude, it's Print City over here. What do you guys expect? I'm the swing king. I want to see this move back up to the 13. See what happens. Get this fucking thing out of here. I can't even, where's the 13? 457.48. Okay, we're moving. All right, let's see. Come on. Bottom on July 25th. Good shit. Good shit. All right, here we go. All right, I just got scaled out of SPX at 27%. That's nice. Stop and profit. Let it ride. Mara, here we go. Looking like it wants to head back up. Palantir looking good. AMD looking good. Again, guys, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. Make sure that you guys are hopping in there with us. The gains are absolutely nuts. The education is unmatched. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you all get your first month free. There goes AMD moving. NVIDIA's trying. All right, nice. Wow. Something's moving. Oh, that's what it was. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to get stopped on this in profit, which is fine. AI is looking good. I have an alert on it. But yeah, that's another good one there. Palantir. 3 cents away. Yeah, but AI, I mean, that's another one from the list. Where'd this one end up? Wayfair. I mean, it's still up 4%. It's not up as much as it was in the pre-market here. I don't know if I touched that. Here comes Palantir again. They're going to take me here. No, I'm still in the SPXs. 135% on the Palantirs. Sweet. Yeah, keep calling them out. Keep calling them out, guys. Palantir just marching. Love that shit, dude. Mara fighting. I think they're about to get me. Yeah, they're about to get me. Yeah, they got me. Stopped and profit on that one. Mara, here we go. Interesting. Tessie reversing. Yeah, Tessie, the thigh gap move on that one with day low as your stop was perfect. I mean, we were gonna talk about this one on these candles here. You could have done this. It was literally like right in here. You were literally just looking like this. Right here, boom, right to there. That's the scale out point at the 13, and then you just let it go. Let's see. Mara looking spicy. Cool. Neo off the 200. Neo has been a moon mission recent. Oh, that does look interesting. Yeah, dude. Neo, this was the move on Neo. We were talking about it in here in the videos. If you don't watch the videos, you're missing out. Called the Palantir, called the Neo. This one was interesting. Up to the 200 scale out, boom, off to the races from fucking what? 11 to 15. You're welcome. You're welcome again. Every time. Every time. All right, let me turn the AC on. It's getting hot in here, Ken. Give me 2 seconds. We're back. Palantir new highs. Ooh. Netflix was interesting this morning. Yeah, dude, Netflix monster. Look at this fucking thing. Palantir, another big move up. These are up about 150% right now. So shout out to all you guys in Masterclass that have been paying attention, following along with the swings. They don't call me the swing king for no fucking reason. Let's see. Mara's got to take out these highs in order for it to really get going. I don't know if it's going to, but we'll see. 151% on Palantir. Jesus. 153%. These are cruising. Let's see. Let's see. Riot thoughts. Same deal as Mara. Same deal. Same deal. Oh, I like Riot. Holy fuck. Yeah, I like this thing. It's going to look the same as Mara. They're like very similar. Let's see. SPY moving up nicely here. Yeah, they took me out on this little candle here, which is fine. It's SPX. Dude, having this no light here is like annoying me. All right. Keep smacking that like on the way in, team. And yeah, remember, everybody gets their first month free. Select the monthly plan, and then you guys use code GAINS, and you guys can hop in there with us, dude. The gains have been fucking nuts, bro. Here you go. Oh, I have another one that's printing right now, too. It's up 20%, but it's a good one. Hint, hint, it's from the list. I'm not telling you which one it is, though. All you masters, there you go. Just give me my fucking scale out up here, bro. I don't want to be in this. Like I do, but I don't. Yeah, I'm trimming. Okay. 160% on the Palantir. Holy shit. Carvana Weekly. Yeah, I know. Don't you worry. I'm watching it. I don't think I'll do anything with it today, though. I don't think I'm gonna. Like, I hate it. I don't even want to trade it. I don't. It just looks good. That's the only thing. Like, I just fucking hate that stock. It looks good. So might as well keep it on the radar. You wanted that off the list, but couldn't size it small enough. On which one? Rogue. Which one? This was the best one. But this is the thing, guys. The entry wasn't today. It was Friday. I've been in since Friday. So that's why we went over it in the masterclass stream with you guys yesterday as like an example trade. Like this is a monster. All right. Still looking good. AMD fucking around. Nancy coming back up. That's interesting. Still early, too. It's 10:20. Palantir January 25 calls up 535% entry on the 8th. Good shit, Wreck-It Ralph. Yeah, and then where's I don't want it on this screen though. Where's Rivi? Where is it? 27. Yeah, I mean, I had those Rivian leaps that I nailed, but I was out, I think, at like 25, 24. Why is Yell going up when they just confirmed they're going out of business, closing the door? Because retail's dumb. Sorry. Bankruptcy is not a buy signal. I don't know. People are just freaking out. It's one of these bullshit penny stock nonsense things. They're like, oh, bankruptcy, I'm gonna buy it. Like this is probably gonna end up coming down. I don't know anything about it, but that's usually the trend. TLT did crack above 100 there for a minute and then got sharked. If Palantir runs to 20, bro, Kava's moving nice today. I've taken a quick look. Is this a penny stock? Is that why I haven't touched it? No, but yeah, Kava's been one that's been on my radar too. Look at this on the daily. I mean, it's just kind of slowly marching up. These aren't necessarily my favorite ones, but you do have this break right here. So don't hate it. Not for me though. Like if you throw this on the 4-hour, it's not necessarily doing what I want it to do. Like this is light down, light up. So Friday was kind of the entry on this thing right around like 52. Palantir still fucking going. There we go. 144% on SoFi swing. You guys are murdering it. 168% on Palantir. Thing's a unit, bro. Where's Mara? This motherfucker is being annoying. Yeah. 5-minute SPY. I mean, you don't really have confluence here, so you need this thing to break up. This would be, to me, no man's land. The trade was off of here. So you wouldn't necessarily take it on this candle, but when this one doesn't make a new low, comes up back above the 200, use it as your risk. So you're drawing it out like this. It's like right here. Stop below that candle low. Target at the 13. It's right there. It's close enough to 1 to 1.5. Bear's a wild boy. It is a wild boy. Look at this thing. Palantir hunted 20. Palantir hunting 20. Up 173% on those calls. They're free. So fuck it. They're actually more than free. $19.99. Oh, it hit 20. Yeah, this is a tough level on Palantir. So depending on what happens here, I might scale again. I don't know, though. It's up fucking 12%, bro. Come on. I don't need much more than that. Mara moving a little. Grabbed another 41% gain on Palantir. Portfolio's up 7% today. Just have a long-term Neo cooking. Otherwise, I'm done for the day. Guys, it has been Print City over here. Holy shit. There you go. QR code's on the screen. Sorry, it's a little dark. My nonsense. My, what do you call it? My light bulb went out today. So we're going to have to fix that. I think it makes sense to scale here again. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah. So scaled again at like 170%. That's good. Where's NVIDIA? It's trying, but it's getting fucked around with. Oh, look, perfect timing. Oh, look, perfect timing. Now it's really free. Like, really free. So, see what happens. I want Mara to, like, fucking break. Come on. Figure it out, Mara. Long call, short put strategy. Whoa. Hold on. Don't say short put. That's not correct. Why would you go long the call, short the puts? It's like a weird, it's like a, I don't even know what I would call that. Look, perfect timing on the Palantir. Easy money. Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be here all week. Yeah, and then for those of you guys that are new to the channel, make sure that you guys are subscribed. Turn on those notifications so you're not missing any of these videos when I post them. Again, we've been talking about Palantir for a while. All of you masterclass members too. You guys have been known about that one for a little bit. Long dated, short dated. Oh, okay, cool. That's fine. I like to be, Ralph, you know me. I like to be very specific with the terminology just because there's new people. So like another example of it is strangle straddle. Like people think straddles are strangles and strangles are straddles and they're not. I just want you guys to actually like have the terminology down. I know you know, Ralph. I was just wondering. I was like, oh, maybe it's. Yep. Palantir top tick. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Keeps you in leaps longer. Yeah. I mean, I probably should have done that with the Rivies. It's okay though. I don't need to hit every cent of every move. Okay. Let's see what we get here. I'm up real nice today, man. Like real nice. So there's not much that I got to do. Maybe look for some more swing entries if I want them. And just kind of see what happens throughout the day. We'll do better for the people. Yeah, no problem. I'm not saying like, oh, fuck you. I'm just saying like, let's be deliberate, with our terminology here. Cause I know what you mean, but people may not. All right. SPY, nice little break here on the 5-minute. Let's see if this thing can hold, get a nice little traffic light and cross up here at the same time. That'd be pretty nice. I'm out of my SPX trade. Nailed it from like right here to up into here. Got stopped in profit on this candle, which is fine. Yeah. Perfect top tick though on Palantir. So that's probably going to settle down here now. Just in my opinion, anybody that was in it, great job identifying that because honestly, I didn't tell anybody. I was in Friday, didn't say shit, and I'm not going to. We talked about it yesterday on the masterclass stream, but that was it. Okay. You're going to do a strangle condor with a put call? Stop. You're going to confuse new people. Don't confuse the new people. Let's there goes SPY. Here comes Mara a little. Let's see if Nancy can get back above 470. It did it tried for a second, but couldn't quite get there. Love you all. Leo. Love you too, buddy. Tessie, great thigh gap move up to the 13. I mean, you guys saw this one. We were talking about this earlier, this thigh gap trade. I mean, this is kind of the entry right in here. Stop below the low, profit at the 13, 1.71 risk to reward, scale out, stops to break even. I mean, you probably would have gotten stopped at break even there, but or you could have taken the whole position off. Either one works. Mara, why are you being an asshole? Come on. IWM on the 1 minute. Looks to be losing steam here. Yeah, it's losing it here. Here it goes. Here it goes. Let's see if that candle closes below. There goes a spy shark. Oh, would you look at that? Another top tick from STV. Wouldn't you know? Guys, it's not. This is very, and think about what I've just done. It's very simple and logical. I've already made the trade free. It runs way more than expected to a very, very, very heavy resistance level. It makes a boatload of sense for me to scale out again. It's not like, oh, yeah, I'm trying to top tick it. No. Just simple logic. Okay, it's up. It was up 12%. I don't need, like, is it really going to run more? It might. I don't care. I still have a little exposure, but that was a gem of a trade yet again. So that's interesting. Mara. I don't want that on the 1 minute. I want that on the 5. Mara will actually make me lose my mind if I stare at it on the 1 minute. Because it's going to go like, I don't give a shit. Let it do its thing. Like, Palantir could break 20 today. Do I care? No. It's free. Made my money. Let's see. Did IWM lose it there? And I mean, it's tough. You got the 5 minute 13 sitting right there. The play was probably 3 minute thigh gap with stop above the high. Oh no, this thing's just been slow cranking here. Yeah, I wouldn't touch that. It's nice though. That's not bad. Yeah, here comes SPY with some decent slippage. Cool. I mean, if they give me another bounce off the 5 minute 200, I might take that. So it looks something like this. If it respects it, I wouldn't just blindly buy it, but it would look something like this. So that's about where it would be if it wants to get all the way down there. Slippage. Still holding 17, though. I mean, you do have this little baby wick right here that it's kind of bouncing off of. Let's see. Oh, guys, we are almost at 150 likes today. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. Keep smacking that on the way in. Let's do it, man. And Nancy sharked hard. D below 113. Yeah, dude, they have earnings coming up. Like, this is not great. I kind of like this, though, going into AMD's earnings, because look what they've been doing over, like, on the daily. Look at this. Rip, yeah, but everything's kind of just been getting sold into recently. So if they can release some good earnings, this chart looks great for this thing to continue back up. The problem is I don't want to miss the break. Like, if they break and run off of earnings, and that's the other thing too, guys, you do not have to trade earnings at all. Like, if you look at NVIDIA, like we've talked about this, NVIDIA moves so much that, like, look, boom, gap up on earnings. What happens? Consolidation into the 13. Then you look at the 4-hour right here, volume's coming down, and boom, into the 13, light down, light up, boom. There's another trade right there to the upside that you didn't even have to touch earnings on. Then there's another one right here. Boom, consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Where does that 4-hour light come in? What's the date here? The 10th of July. Then you look at the 4-hour, same deal. Look at this. Boop, 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 boop. I mean, you do have this light up right here on June 30th, but you can see this break here of this range. Boom, break of the range, stop down below here, whoop, right up. Why are you so attracted to BABA? I don't want anything to do with BABA until it comes back into my range. I don't want anything to do with it. It's like low 80s, high 70s. So the last move was great on it. I just wasn't in it because it didn't meet my criteria, which is fine, guys. It's not, the moves are not always going to meet your criteria. You have BABA PTSD? Was that from when I like absolutely drilled it that one day where I bought it and then the next day there was that wild gap up? Dude, that was one of the best trades I've had this year. That one, Rivian, Mara, the 1200 percenter was really good. There have been a few really good ones. This Palantir one, I've really been nailing Palantir. The last Palantir trade that I had was about 200 something percent. And this one should have been that much, but as we go into earnings and as the market kind of prices in this thing moving more, the contracts just won't go up as much anymore. So that's probably going to be it for me on some of these Palantir trades. So we'll see. Tessie fucking around, Spy screwing around here. I'm not really touching this in here. But yeah, oh, we're 9 likes away, guys, from 150. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, and shout out to all you guys that are taking the right step in the right direction, getting that education with Trade 1348, man, with us. Oh, my God, it is going to pay off for you guys if you put the time in. Let's see. You made a lot of money with Baba, lost some money with it before you followed the rules. Yeah, you got to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you're going to end up cucking yourself. Let's see. Nancy's thin, man. Nancy's thin. Yeah, Mara's a wild boy. It needs that break of 1728 to really run. So, anything useful on Twitter? What was I just looking at? Oh, Spy. Yeah. No, it's not even getting down to that 200 yet. It's just chopping around. You just realized you put a dislike? Well, that's not very nice. Headed out. Looking an out-of-business Burger King building today for bar restaurant conversion. Be safe, people. That's pretty cool, Ralph. I wanted to there's an old abandoned bank in Southie, and I wanted to buy it and then turn it into a club and call it the bank. I mean, it's not abandoned. It's just closed down. And the building's for sale. Here comes Maron. First step, getting to 1720. You changed it? Thank you. Now we're 1 like away. That would be badass. That's what I thought, bro. I was like, that's like the best idea of all time. Call it the bank. That's how epic that would be. Also, for some reason, my face has been like drying out. Like I've just had like chapped lips for like 2 weeks. Yeah, like like this AMD chart has my attention. It's just it has earnings coming up, so we got to see what it wants to do. Kind of hoping they don't fuck me on it, but like at the same time, I'm still up over 1,000% on my AMD share, so I can't really complain. What happens in the vault stays in the vault. Yeah, Bank Style Club, private room called the vault. Yeah, exactly. But it wouldn't be like like the vault would actually probably be where all the workers are hanging out. But I don't know. I haven't thought it through. I just make the joke every time I walk past it. I'm like, oh, I kind of want that. So you did bounce off this little wick here that we see on the SPY. I personally wanted it how we drew it out. Off the 200, stop below this one, up back to the 13, but we never got there. So yeah, and here comes Palantir still selling. What a trade, man. What a trade. I mean, I could probably, honestly, at this point, that trade is so free that I could just leave it for earnings. The VIP spot? No, because with VIP and clubs, like, you have to be in front of everybody. So, I don't know. But, like, if you're going to go, like, be an ass, like, I'm not actually saying you're an asshole because I used to do it all the time. But if you're going to, like, go and rip it at the club, like, you're not going to be, like, in some, like, back room. All right, Mara. First step, 1720. Let's see what you want to do. There's a place near you called The Office. That's pretty cool. I don't think we have any cool club names in Boston. All right. Mullen? I hate Mullen. Piece of garbage. Oh, it's up. Would you like to know where I called it dead? This is actually funny. You can go back on my Twitter and look at this. It's here. Above 30. I called Mullen dead above 30. If you shorted it off that tweet, I mean, you made a killing. Well, it's a piece of garbage, bro. Don't. I mean, you can trade it if you really want to, but oh, Mara above 1720. There we go. There used to be a bar in your old area called Church. That's pretty nice. That's a cool one. What else we got cooking? These are cooking a little. Nothing too crazy, though. And one in LA called The Library. That's pretty neat. All right, let's see. Thoughts on SoFi? Giant gap up on earnings that I don't really want anything to do with right now. Matthew, I see that you're coming in and talking about the stocks that are up a lot. That's almost 99% of the time how you get absolutely slaughtered in the market. Be careful, please. Remember, Palantir is up a lot today. I was already in it, like way before. Straight line up. Yeah, The Office is probably the best name because if you actually like want to go with your boys after work, be like, no, I'm at The Office. But then they know too, and they're gonna be like, what office is it? I hear you. Yeah, Matthew. Again, guys, all you guys sitting on the sidelines. This is kind of the main reason why we created this educational platform for you guys with Trade 1348, getting you guys up to speed. There you go. So there's that link. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, when you select the monthly membership to get your first month free. Make sure that you guys are in there before we kill that offer because, again, this might be the last month that we do this. We give you guys the steal of a lifetime with it. Palantir back up a little. It's holding that 5-minute 13. Centerfolds in Boston is a great club. I've never heard of that one. All right. I have my price alert set. Like everything else is free. I've got my limit orders. Like I'm kind of chilling right here. Just letting our trades cook. If you get Len for long-term dated option. What is Len? Is Len solar? Lenar. Oh no. Ralph, I like this. Like it's not something that I would always have on my radar. Like, because I the mid to small cap stocks that I know can move and have good option change are ones that I like to trade, but that looks interesting. Nice consolidation there. Like that looks, dude, come on. Like that looks fucking good. I wouldn't go longer dated either. Like what's this? 133? This thing, if it ripped back up here, you'd probably make $1 bajillion. Home builders, yeah. I don't hate that, dude. I'll keep an eye on that. Ralph, keep bringing this one up. I'll put a price alert on here. I'll put a price alert on this just to have it on there. Well, okay. See if we can get our 4-hour traffic light play. Yeah, it's up in here. I'll throw it on there. Just to have it. Mara couldn't hold above. Oh, it shot up there quick. Very nice. Yeah, that's an interesting one, Ralph. Thanks. Well-defined range, easy risk management online. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we'll keep cooking up the swings for you guys. They've been really dirty. Like really dirty. This one's looking good. Mara back to 1720. There we go. It's up 3%. Damn, are we going to be able to hit 200 likes today on the stream? That would be insane. Guys, keep smacking that on the way in. It helps a whole lot getting you guys back in here. Sorry about the light. I hate the fucking light nonsense today. That light bulb just went out. I think we'll be good for the video later, though. I don't think I need it. DHI similar to Len. Okay, cool. Yeah, maybe I'll start dipping my toe into some of those types of stocks. I don't necessarily have them, have been watching for that long, but definitely can move. I'd have to do a little bit more research into them. But yeah, I'm not against it. It's a great, you already said it, winning loser. I've never been there. Yeah, here comes Mara again. You break 17. I thought it was 1733. Oh, no. I'm talking about, that was my entry on Palantir, 1733. That's what it was. All right, Ralph. I'll keep a lookout for those. Yeah, looking good across the board here, man. Disney? What's up with Disney? Mara broke. Disney finally getting going here a little. How's this on the weekly? I want a weekly traffic light. Here comes Mara a little. Ooh. Whoa. This is big. U.S. SEC charges Hex founder Richard Hart with misappropriating millions of dollars of investor funds from unregistered crypto asset securities offerings that raised more than $1 billion. Whoa. Mara spiking hard on that right now. Mara spiking hard. That's wild. They are going after Richard Hart. There's always been that little, is he fucking around? Is he not? I don't know. All right, here's what we're going to do. I'm being too much of a little bitch today. Oh, Mara, going. Holy shit, I just got my scale out. I'm up 26% on my Mara contracts. Holy shit. 25%. Oh, no, those got scaled out higher. Those got scaled out at like 34%, 35. You just hit that candle on Mara? Fuck yeah, bro. Let's go. Swing King strikes again. Don't fucking come after me. Look at this shit. Boom. Another one. Thank you. Oh, yeah. No. It was about 30%. Never mind. I'm being a dumbass. Yeah, it was about 30% on that one. Fuck yes, bro. Jesus. There we go, team. That scaled me out. Like, I fucking a lot of Mara on that. I'm up 11% on the day now. Oh, wow. One of my swings is cruising right now, too, coming back up. Yeah, I'm comfortable with the Mara position now. Riot doing the same. Yeah, I think that's off the Richard Hart stuff. It's got to be. Like, what? Like, literally, as soon as that news dropped, it just ripped. Is Bitcoin doing that, too? Which would be weird that that Bitcoin's ripping. Yeah, no, Bitcoin doesn't give a fuck. Why are Mara and Riot ripping? Do they have some sort of, like, relationship to this? The hex stuff? Because that's a weird candle. That's fine. I mean, I'll take my scale out there. That's big volume coming in too, dude. That's something. That's not nothing. Like, that's something happening there. So, well, it's Monday. It's literally an hour and 30 minutes into the market, and the swing list has printed. You're welcome. If you're not in masterclass yet, I don't know what to tell you at this point. Go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, or reach out to Diana for some help. Dude, absolute print city. Jesus. I don't really give a shit what it does now. Fuck it. Whatever. That's all I wanted. All I wanted was my scale out today. Can I look at AI? It hasn't hit my price alerts yet. Any of them. Oh, I don't really care yet. The reason, so we talked about this yesterday on the masterclass stream. I need a clear break on this. Look what it's been doing. Runs up, shark, runs up, shark, runs up, shark. It needs to break this range with some volume in order to get back up to 48.75. I don't like this here. So you've got three. So I'll tell you guys what I'm doing right now. I have three price alerts. I have one here, I have one here, and I have one here at these three highs. 19.5% on the day. Thanks, Mara. Have a good day, STV. Fuck yeah, David. There we go. But yeah, so I have those three price alerts set on AI. Depending on what it looks like when it hits the first one, I'll decide if I want to take anything. And then I'll kind of go from there. Again, a lot of these swings are sized appropriately. Dude, I fucking top ticked the shit out of Palantir. Thank you. Where's Baron now? Did it shark? Still up there. Told you. They don't call me the swing king for no reason. Yeah, I'm a lot more comfortable with that Mara now. Would love to see it back at 1986. Would love that. I don't know if you're going to get it, but We'll see. I actually have a little bit of time on those, so we'll see. With Mara, I like to get a little time because it moves so wildly. Yeah, again, and for those of you guys that aren't ready for masterclass, you guys come to the streams every single day. Here you guys go. There's the link. When you select the monthly membership, use code GAINS, GAINZ, and your first month completely free. I want you guys to be able to have that time to be able to come in and learn and make sure that you have a grasp on what we're teaching you guys every single day. Education is the most important, guys, and we're going to continue doing exactly what we do, making sure that you guys are still printing. Coin, did Coin go too? Yeah, Coin went with it. Coin, Mara, and Riot all rocketed. %14 on Beyond from the 5-minute 13 retest. Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching it. Don't you think I'm not watching that one? I'm watching Beyond. All right. I'm going to throw another limit order just in case Mara gets another round of wild fuck you candles. See if it gets up there. Like if this thing rips to 18, I'll get taken out probably. Palantir selling here. That's fine, man. We top ticked the nuts out of that. Tesla looking for the go sign. Here's what your Tesla trade would look like here. You have the traffic light. You're above the 200. If you like it, this is what you would do. You would try and get it around here. You can either use a break below the 200, the 48, the 13, or even the 24. There's not really all that many levels up in here. You do have this right around 268.11. So you could, this is a little bit of a higher risk one because the stop would be so tight. You could do something like that. But I'm not. I'm not touching it. Mara going again. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry it's so dark, guys. The lights all got jacked up this morning, and it's dark outside now. Sorry about that. We'll get it fixed for tomorrow. Thanks, STV and team. No problem, Tor. No problem, buddy. The Swing King strikes again. All right. Got an alert while working to see your report up 6% on Mara calls. Thanks, STV. No problem, Cody. No problem, pal. Absolute just printing, dude. Mara tried, got sharked off that. Affirm coming back to reality. Fuck, Affirm was another one that I was going to put on there. Damn it, bro. I was looking at this one yesterday. I liked it. I was like, I kind of like it in here. It's just too wild. And I was like, I don't know about this one right under, because it was right under the 200. And I was like, yeah, I'm not going to put this one on the list. But yeah, this one went again. Darn, that's okay. But I like the look of Mara here. Where's Nancy with this? Doing nothing. Doing nothing. All right, guys. It is 11 in the morning. That's going to wrap it up for me, guys. We hit every fucking move today. Every big move in the market, we were all over. So team, again, for those of you guys that still need to hop in, to trade1348.com completely free for your first month. Here you guys go. Here's the link. Use code GAINS. The QR code is on the screen. GAINS, GAINZ. And if you guys want that swing list every week, make sure you guys are hopping into Masterclass. Go reach out to Diana in Market Talk or go right on platform and click Get Master in your subscriptions area, and we're good to go. But that's going to wrap it up for me, team. I should have some videos out for you guys later. Peace! That was loud. Sorry. I'm going to get evicted.